Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Talk YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do system reset in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to system. Then go to reset options and select here reset all settings. And this operation will restore some function settings to default, including function switches, options, etc., personalized settings, content filled in during setup. Okay, so this is general system reset. Click on reset all settings and you need to enter your password for confirmation. If you have set pattern, it will ask pattern. Here I give my password and click on enter, and it will again ask for confirmation. Restore all settings. This operation cannot be undone, and click on reset all settings and restoring. Just wait. This is called system restore or system resettings in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. It will reset your phone and it will go to restart your phone. Phone is restarting. Just wait. Vivo logo appears, Vivo 5G. Just wait. This is general reset, not hard reset. Yes, reset is done and again phone is restarting. Vivo logo appeared. Just wait. Yes, phone is started. Yes, including password, it is reset. Okay, before I just locked with my password, that is numeric password, and it is now reset. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.